How's it going, guys? So today I want to be talking about a few airdrops and I don't want to waste your time, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing first is the Jupiter rewards for the Q1 of 2026. Yes, we're still getting paid by simply stacking the token. I know the token has gone extremely down. Nonetheless, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and claim it. And also with Jupiter, I do think that the next airdrop rewards are gonna be for a lot of trader. There is a trading possibility on Jupiter. I would suggest you to start doing a $10-20 trades here and there just to get your account activated. But this is the season 1 airdrop rewards. Next up, I have partnered with Zumix right here, and as you see, I have a $30,000 Bitcoin short position. And you can go and sign up to Zumix right now. The link will be down below. They have a deposit bonus for all of my community, as well as, by the way, I did call this over on Telegram right here, which it is free to go and join, and you can join. I just called it today shorted Bitcoin because I do think what goes up must come down, and this one is over stimulated to too much up. So make sure to come and join. As we see here, we got calls, we got promotion, we got everything that you need to go and trade. I will leave the link down below, and also you will find the Zumix link in the description to go and sign up. Deposit campaign, you simply deposit, you get your money back. Super simple, and make sure to go and do it. And I'm big on the Bitcoin short. As we see here, a $3,000 account with a $30,000, meaning a 10x short position, in my opinion, to go and aim at a $72,000 mark around here, which it is the accumulation zone that we had before. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Next up, we have the PGN Sun setting, the withdraw your funds. As we see here, why? Because PGN is closing down. Another one, the public's good network, in case you have ever utilized it, is shutting down soon. If you have funds there, make sure to withdraw them before April 20th, 2026. So you only got 6 days. I will leave the link down below. But as we see here, make sure to go and do it. And this is not much to claim. It's simply to go and get your money out. Next up, we have the Superform Airdrop Month 2 claim has been unlocked. The current price is about 7 cents, and the next unlocking is in 31 days. So let me know for the airdrop. Let me know how much you received. Let me know what is your total allocation for this airdrop. All you gotta do is simply go and connect your wallet right here. Connect the wallet and it's gonna open up a pop-up. In this case, for example, the MetaMask pop-up. You go and put your password and you're good to go. As we see here, or the Phantom one. Sorry, simply go and log in to your wallet in this way. Let me go and see and showcase you, and you do everything that you need to do. Next up, we have the Genius airdrops, comes with a 1-year vesting. So another extremely terrible thing. By the way, this one is a Genius One airdrop with a 1 year. I will leave you the link down below because I did already find the link to go and be able to go and claim this one. So this is an update version of the link. But as we see here, we do have the possibility to the official website for the Genius. Make sure to go and use this one and the one that I will leave you down below. But you have officially able to go and claim this airdrop. Next up, we have the USDA airdrop claim is also not live, which the link will be down below. Both ICOs and airdrop participants can claim the airdrop, and the claiming deadline is at the end of May. So let me know what you think and let me know your total allocation down in the comments below, whether or not whether or not it is something good. It is a stable coin project, so nothing lost. Airdrop was just okay, apparently. Did I participate in this? Absolutely not. I do not really trust any stable coin unless it's USDC or USDT. But of course, let me know your allocation down in the comments below. Next up, we have the Align airdrop update plus the eligibility checkers. As we see here, make sure to go and do it. You can check your eligibility and your allocation on the airdrop checkers. With 8.74%, it's allocated to the airdrop, and 44% is unlocked at TG. Nonetheless, let me know your total allocation down below and whether or not you are eligible for it. You can connect MetaMask, you can connect whatever one you want. And yes, let me know in the comments below. I'm not going to waste your time. With that said, thank you very much for watching, guys. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, ciao.